she had gave me power chains and stuff. I'm like, dang, already?
Already closing everything. You're ahead of the game, girl. And I'm just gonna shift the wire over.
Ain't so much pressure.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, geez, I was feeling it before I left. So we're not taking the wires off?
So I'm gonna have the doctor take a look at everything, and then we'll go ahead and see if you're ready for new wires or if there's still some rotations that need to happen with this.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. I'll be right back.
Okay. It's different this time because any other time they usually, my hair is a mess, you guys. Sorry, I didn't even get to comb it. It's been a long day. I look a mess. I ain't even combed this shit, but they usually take my wires off, but I may not need it. Interesting.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi. I record my journey on my YouTube.
Oh, I love that. That's awesome.
Yes, so that's why I be.
Yeah, what do you think so far?
I'm getting better. It's much better. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like now I'm at a place that I feel comfortable eating. After like a few days after I get like my tightenings and stuff.
Okay.
So, but I feel like these are more thicker, more sturdy compared to like my first sets. So I really like these much better because I'm way more comfortable eating now and not like feeling like I'm gonna break something or something feeling weird.
Right.
But it's definitely getting easier. But I will say now I feel like things getting more stuck. Like, yeah, like now I'm getting like more stuff getting stuck in my teeth and stuff more, and it's harder to get out.
Yeah, it might be because the wire's thicker, so it's not as flexible and things kind of loosen up.
Right.
So yeah, you do need to kind of put more time in brushing.
Right. Yeah, for sure. I was actually thinking about doing like a cleaning, scheduling a cleaning soon.
Yeah, definitely. They can do the cleaning with the wires in. If you prefer to have them out, you can always come in a little bit before we do them.
Oh, I wanted to ask you, is there a certain time frame I should get that wisdom tooth out?
Nothing specific. I'm gonna look at your X-ray just to double check.
Okay.
But, usually, surgeons like to take them out earlier.
Okay.
So before a certain age, the earlier the better.
Okay.
For healing and stuff, but I mean timeline with braces. Usually there's no.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Unless, I mean, there are specific instances where we would need to have it done before certain things, but in your case,
it's not gonna affect my transition.
Them, no. Once we're done, you're gonna have retainers, and as long as you wear those, nothing should, nothing should crowd up anymore, and nothing should be posterior there.
Cool. I may still just do it before my braces get off.
Yeah. I mean, that's what I have to.
Yeah. You just gotta mentally prepare for it. Yeah, they already told me since it's not bothering me, it's not a priority to get it out, but it is getting like cavities on there. So she was just saying like since it's so hard for me to brush, it's getting like little cavities on it. Okay. So it's up to me. It don't make no sense putting like fillings and stuff on it. So she was like, you might as well So she was like, you might as well just pull it. Before it get like worse over time, but it's not a priority to get it out. But I was just like, I might as well just get it over with.
Well. And if you get one out or two out, might as well get the top ones out.
No, I just got one.
Oh, you just have the one. Okay.
No, don't you? No, I only got one because
you're pointing on the right side.
Well, I was born without my bottom ones, so I had no bottom wisdom teeth, so I didn't have to worry about that. And then my top ones was impacted, but the one over here on my left decided to wait till I was 25 to come down. So it just came down, and it don't bother me or anything, but she says like a little cavity on it.
I'm gonna look at the X-ray too, just to
okay, cool.
see how it's coming in as well. But how are you liking the progress with?
I don't know. I can't tell. Like I be looking, but I can't tell. Like
We should show you the initial photos.
Probably so, because I just feel like it still kind of look the same to me. I don't know. I think I'm just looking at the spaces on the side, but when I like go like this, like I do notice a difference then because I pay attention where my teeth was like sitting on the bottom.
Yeah.
So like I know before this tooth was more towards my canine. And now it's shifting more towards the middle.
Okay.
So that's kind of like the only way I can tell.
Yeah.
But
we'll show you.
But yeah, other than that, I'm just like, oh, and then I also like kind of stick my tongue through my gap. And then that kind of like a way that I can tell is closing too. But now that I'm actually paying attention to it now in camera, my gap do look smaller today.
Yeah.
And it's kind of scary.
Well, did you have you're tracking your progress.
Yeah. That's why I track. But I hate watching, but I hate rewatching my videos. I hate watching myself. So I do need, but I have been updating every time. Okay. So I am going to look back. But I do that trick that I look at my smile and then I see the last time my tooth was on this tooth, and then I have to notice and it's coming over.
Yeah.
But I do notice, like, I do feel like the movement on top, though. It's such a weird feeling. Like, I can tell it's definitely movement going on top, because it's like, I don't know how you do it, but it's like I literally can feel like when this tooth is being tampered with, and I can literally tell if this one's not being tampered with. So it's like I can really tell which tooth is you tampering with. Yeah. And they also feel different too. Yeah. Like one feel more like in and one feel more out in a way, if that makes sense. Like
we're gonna change out the wire today too. It'll be the same size, it'll just be different material. So it might feel a little sore, but I mean, not too bad. The bottom looks great. So yeah, 1622 steals. That wisdom tooth up here, you're talking about, right? That one all the way back here? Yeah. Bite down.
How I'm looking.
What? Really good.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it looks really good.
It's moving the pace you want?
Yeah, definitely. For, what is it, 3-4 months? For sure, yeah. I really like how it's looking. I'll show you right now.
Okay.
Yeah, so close piano on the upper, still touch breathe. Okay, no time lower, but still upper and lower. Okay.
Yeah, I was so shocked I was getting power chains so soon. Because, like, most YouTubers, when they record their journey, they don't get power chains to, like, you know, a little bit.
Your teeth were pretty straight to begin with.
Really?
I mean, you had this base. What? Here, let me show you.
They wasn't too bad.
No, I mean, you had some in and out like this.
Hey, you guys, I'm back. I usually record them putting the new stuff on. But I forgot because I was too busy running my mouth with the doctor and the assistant. But yes, I got a thicker wire today. Well, not a thicker wire, but she put stainless steel wires in today. And I still got power chains. So yeah, that's what they did today. I got stainless steel wire and power chain. And they put that twisty thing again. And do y'all see a difference? They showed me my before today because I was like, I really don't see a difference. And she was like, what? You don't have? And she showed me my pictures and the top do look smaller. I will give her that. The top do looks like my gap and stuff do look smaller now. But baby, I'm feeling pressure. I am feeling pressure, honey. I'm about to go home, pop me some Advils, honey, because I got a lot of stuff to do today. I got to restock tomorrow. I've been busy getting everything ready for the website, and I'm already irritated, so I already know if this mouth about to be hurting, I'm gonna be super pushy. So I'm about to eat, take some Advil, and finish working today. But I will say the pressure is not as bad as last time though, because I guess my mouth is like used to what's going on. So the pressure is not I'm sorry y'all, my hair is a mess. The pressure is not as crazy right now, but we're gonna see, because the first day is always okay. It be that damn second to fifth day that be giving me hell. The first day don't be that bad, but that second to fifth day be giving me the most hell. Okay, I be thinking things all good till I wake up in the morning and I'm in so much pain. But I definitely don't feel as much pressure like I usually will be feeling pressure. But she was also telling me, like, once the top close, then once like all my top close, then that's when they're gonna start doing like detailing work, shaving stuff and all that stuff. I'm super excited because I want to get like a teeth whitening done to make my teeth a little brighter. Yeah, and I was and like I said, like, this is month 3, so is this month 3? This month 3 or month 4, one of those. But I'm definitely able to eat and stuff way more better, like, especially after that 5th day of getting a tightening. I be tearing some food up, honey. Like, I be getting down now. Like, I feel so much comfortable eating. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do the full 15 months. Like, if they do, they basically trying to milk it, but I may not need the full 15 months, because like, she told me my stuff is going pretty fast. Like, she's impressed because it's been going pretty quick. And she was telling me also, like, my teeth wasn't too terrible. It was just the spaces on the top that was the main concern. And then, like, my teeth go a little too down on my overbite. So that was like the main thing. So yeah, let me know if y'all have any questions. I know my situation not as severe as most people, but you know, I always been like insecure about my smile. You know, when I smile, I got so many spaces on the side of my mouth, or the spaces in front of my mouth, and you know, my whole family pretty much got gaps. But I was just like, I'm ready to feel more confident within myself. So I did this for me, you know, just to feel more confident in my smile and stuff. And because I literally do not smile with my teeth, and I actually need to start practicing smiling. Like, I smile so awkward because I don't smile. So it's like, now when I smile, it's super awkward because my ass don't smile. So I really do need to start smiling more, for sure, because I'm super awkward when it comes to smiling. So I need to start practicing my smiling stuff in the mirror, for sure. Can you practice a smile, or your smile supposed to be naturally? Like, can you teach yourself how to smile the same way, or like smiles is supposed to be like a natural thing? I wonder. But I'm home. I'm about to park. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in and tracking my journey with me. Because once these teeth get fixed, I'm gonna be smiling all up in these videos. I'm gonna be showing my teeth just because, okay? Like, no more being insecure. I'm gonna be... What you say? Oh, hey, girl. Oh, hey. You know me? Yeah. Like, I'm gonna just be showing my teeth all the time just because. But that's it for this video. Please, like always, Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and thank you for joining in on the channel. Bye.